Welcome to Off-Grid Victory. So today I want to talk to you about, chimneys and chimneys as related to the type and what I chose for my off-grid situation and why, and also the advantages and disadvantages of what I have. And I think one of the things you'll find in this video is there is a key difference and key advantage, especially living in a tight space in a shipping container, why you might want to employ something like this. So first of all, let me start off by saying this particular chimney stack is double insulated stovepipe. It's stainless steel. And you can see that I really minimized the angles on this build. So the stove is right behind this wall. It's coming horizontally into here, and then the lift is drawing the smoke right out here to the vent, to the top of this container. Now, yeah, my roof is not quite done yet, but I just wanted to show that to you right there. And then the manufacturer of this thing is Selkirk, I believe. That's the name of it. That's, I guess, the part number. And what I really wanted to show you is how I use it. Now, first of all, the idea of it going out horizontally and up really enables the clean out to be easy, and I'll show you the distinct advantages of it. Now, the only drawbacks are such. Well, first of all, you are losing some of this heat because you don't have a black pipe, let's say, behind this wall going straight up through the roof. And so you don't recapture that heat. It just is lost. However, what you gain is you don't have to put another hole in your shipping container, especially on the roof. So you don't have to use, I guess that's the main reason why most people use this type of stovepipe to go out from a wall and go up, because they don't want to have to put a hole in their roof, or maybe they have to go through another story like a second floor, and then they don't want an exposed chimney pipe on another floor. So there are various reasons why you absolutely have to go this route, but for me it was more of a I guess an advantage to do it this way because of well, you'll see next in the video. Well, first of all, let me go ahead and show you the ease of clean out here. This particular model, I just have a stainless steel screw here. I just kind of unscrewed it a little for you to get it started. All right, and then I have some that I cleaned out from another chimney, but let me go ahead and show you this. So there is you see there's like a handle there and a vent hole cover. A lot of junk in here. But anyway, let me go ahead and take that out. So I have a bucket underneath, so no need to have bags or all this stuff. You just need a bucket. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out here. So there wasn't much in this one because this particular chimney we've burned pretty hot. But let me go ahead and show you up the chimney stack. Let me see if I can get it to focus here. And you can see that nice little hole, plenty of airflow there. You can see that it's relatively clean. Now I do this, the other thing is, because it's so easy to clean out, I do this probably, let me put this back. I probably do this once, twice a week. Now, there are people who clean out their chimney stack once a season, and I really think that that's risking it a little too close. In fact, like I said, like to clean this thing out once every week, 2 weeks, like that, just so I'll never have an instance where I might potentially have a chimney fire. And so, yeah, you get buildup. This one, like I said, wasn't bad. I'm getting very fine creosote because this chimney was burned pretty hot. But living off grid, you might have bad wood. You might have, and you can see some of this creosote. You see how flaky that is? That really burns well. You might have some bad wood, i.e. it's wet. It has other foreign debris. Insects and such, and it might almost be dirt. So you're going to get a lot of creosote. And so for me, like I said, I like cleaning it more often than once a season or even once a month. And this system allows you to do that. So that's all it was. I just unscrewed, there you go, unscrewed this one screw, and I'm just going to screw it back in. And that really is it. Now, here's what the real advantage is, and if you can hold on for a little bit, I'll show you that. All right, so let's take a quick walk. All right, so I'm just taking you on a walk to my other container where I have this. Alrighty. So today, it's a fairly warm day. I mean, it's about 45 or so right now. And one of the chimneys, we're about to take off. And so I wanted to clean this other chimney, but here's the distinct advantage of it. And as you can see on this particular chimney, it is going. It's pretty filthy dirty, but it's going. As you can see, the smoke up there. So I'm going to bring you back down. And what we're going to do is now, here's the thing. You can clean this chimney stack while it's going. What I did earlier is just close that's the stove, and that's why it's actually smoking as much as it is, because like I said, we're about to take off. But here's the distinct advantage. Even though the chimney is going, the stove is going, I can clean this thing. And now you cannot say that about any other type of system. If it is directly in line going vertically up, there's no way you can do what I'm about to do, and that is to clean this guy and then put it back and have it ready for action. And so I'm not going to show you up the pipe because I want it to draw, and I don't want any of the air to backflow into my container. But what I did want to show you is that, hold on here, that this could be done while the chimney was still engaged and fired up. And so obviously this is not drawing, it's not drawing as well as it could when you open it. And so you might have a chance for it to backdraft some smoke into your shipping container. So what I would do is, before I attempt to clean it out while it's still going, is just to make sure that that stove damper is closed and the doors are all closed, and that you won't suck the air back into the shipping container, and you'll be able to just go take your debris and empty it as such. And so yeah, that's the distinct advantage of this system. And I'm going to show you the chimney stack again. I don't have a roof on this, so you can kind of see it. Here you go. There's the stove. It's going. Yeah. Hopefully you can see that. It's still smoking. So now I'm going to go back in and open up this this dampener on the stove, so that it'll draw and clean this out. But yes, because we sometimes do this, we dampen it, we close it all the way, the vent, because we have material that isn't ideal for burning, we do get a lot of creosote, and you don't want a fire to happen in your chimney stack. One other advantage is, if you do have a fire going in your chimney, it's outside of your living space, i.e. your metal shipping container. So that's the other advantage of this system. So yeah, I didn't realize my shipping container was this dirty. I need to clean it. Anyway, shalom.